This time we're going to be moving back and coming back. Move away, come back forward. It's the feeling. Go away, come back. Okay? We can combine this one really easily with the first one. So let's call this the second variation. In our basic ginga, our coordination, we know. We can stop here, come back. Change sides. And stop here, change sides. Yeah? So there's a little hop here, look. Up, just move away, come back. Yeah? I want you to try and get this. Little hop, come back. Basic ginga. Move forward, side, and you can hop. Come on, just enough distance to be appearing, not doing the same old thing like a robot, okay? You don't want to be doing this, okay? Maybe from the side it's easier for you to see what I'm doing with my feet. We've got our basic step. We go from one side, little hop, come back, little hop, okay? It's almost like a samba move, you know? Very simple when you get the feeling for it.